Here's how you can get a copy of Big Easy Accounting for Google Sheets. You want to be signed into only one Gmail account, and you want to be in Google Sheets, and you click on Extensions, Add-ons, Get Add-ons. Then type in Big Easy in the search bar and click on Big Easy Accounting. Click on the icon. Then click on Individual Install. Then click on your Gmail. Then click on Continue. And scroll down to click on Allow. Now, Big Easy Accounting has been installed as an add-on, and now you need to open up the first Big Easy Spreadsheet template by clicking Next, and then before you get the template, you'll want to come here to sign up for the 14-day trial by clicking this button here, which will ask for your credit card to be in place. And you can try it out, and you have we have a free 3-day custom setup that you can take advantage of. Then you can click Done here, close out of this, and go into Extensions, Big Easy, and open your first spreadsheet. You'll want to enter the required information, which is the name of your records and the start and end date for the year, and then choose a category list of the industry that comes closest to your industry, or choose any small business. Then click Submit, and you'll get a link to your Big Easy Accounting sheet. That link will open this sheet here, and you want to go to the initial setup and follow the instructions that are under this tab here. We want you to read through and make any changes, and then update your reports, and you're ready to use the software. Thanks for watching.